Perplexity Spy Service Review Watch before using if you are running digital ads. Most people get this wrong. They throw money at campaigns without knowing what competitors are doing. Perplexity is a spy tool that reveals which ads are performing, what landing pages are converting, and which traffic sources are generating results. The surprising truth is how much insight it can give you, saving you countless hours of trial and error. You won't believe the competitive advantage this tool provides. Here's how it works. Perplexity tracks ads across multiple platforms, including native, push, and mobile. You can see live campaigns, their creatives, ad copy, and even estimated traffic volumes. For example, if a competitor is running a highly converting push campaign, you can analyze their approach, understand their angles, and adapt your own campaigns more effectively. Another key feature is deep landing page analysis. Most marketers get this wrong. They copy creatives, but miss the conversion strategies on landing pages. Perplexity allows you to explore these pages, uncovering call-to-action strategies, layout patterns, and lead capture methods. The platform also provides filters by country, device, and traffic source, helping you target insights specific to your market. This makes scaling campaigns faster and more data-driven. However, there are considerations. Perplexity is a premium service, and costs can add up if you use multiple versions or require advanced features. Most people assume it's a set it and forget it solution. It's a research tool, meaning you still need to execute campaigns effectively. In conclusion, Perplexity is invaluable for advertisers who want to understand market trends, spy on competitors ethically, and optimize campaigns. With actionable insights and detailed analytics, it's a must-have for serious digital marketers. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of marketing tools and ad intelligence platforms.